All right, welcome everybody to the Bookmap Onboarding Webinar. This is Bruce at Bookmap. We do this webinar 3 times a week, so no matter where you are around the globe, you will be able to connect and get up and running in Bookmap if you're new. This is especially important today or this week is because we're having our Black Friday sale. So a lot of you guys might be brand new to Bookmap and excited. You've got Bookmap, you've got data. Here's the deal. It's 50% off Global Plus for the quarter. And then you also get 50% off of data for 3 months. So this is fantastic. This is a great time to try Bookmap if you've wanted to try it and get the deal. Get it for it's a good chunk of time to get it, to really try it out and get half off. So anyway, go for it, and we'll get you up and running here in the onboarding. That's what we're here for. We'll get you connected to the data. We'll install the program for you and everything. So that's our goal here. I'll cover this maybe another time. Our pilot program we have for building an edge, if you're interested, is over on our Discord channel. This is a very unique program we have here, and it is included with your Bookmap Global or Global Plus subscription. You can just go to bookmap.com or do a search for Bookmap and pilot, Bruce's pilot program. It'll come up and you'll see it. It's how to build an edge. All right, it's not so much about the setup, it's about the process of following the setup. Anyway, we've covered the Black Friday here. Get up and running with Bookmap, and our agenda here is to first log into bookmap.com. So go to bookmap.com and then in the upper right hand corner click on login. Once you do that, then you log in, you'll see your username up here. You'll be in the Bookmap portal section in the Getting Started tab. You'll see your license key here. Copy it. And then next thing we're going to do is we're going to now download Bookmap. And in the same portal here, select your system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Select your version of Bookmap here. Production, I would recommend going with. You can also get a beta or an alpha version if they're available. They have more features but are less stable. Okay, once you've selected that, then you just click on your download link here and you'll begin downloading Bookmap. Now, as it's downloading, let's go through our next point here, and we're going to add a data subscription. Okay, now about data, you don't need to add a data subscription here if your broker, for example, offers data that we can connect to, like Rhythmic, CQG, DXFeed, and others. Okay, so now if you're using prop trading service like Apex, TopStep, whatever, they're all using Rhythmic as well, and you can connect Bookmap to that Rhythmic data from them, so you won't need to subscribe to data in here, right? But if you want to subscribe to data or you have other needs, then this is how you go through the process. Click on the add subscription here in the left margin, and then if you're not logged in, or if you don't have Bookmap yet, this is what you're going to see. You're going to have to first subscribe to Bookmap. And once you've done that, then you'll see the page that looks like this, and the data will come up as the add subscriptions here. All right, so let's go through an example how to connect to Bookmap data. We're actually a data provider now for futures. Okay, so you can get Bookmap data here for the CME group instruments, which includes all 4 exchanges that compile the CME group: CME, CBOT, NYMEX, and COMEX. It's $79 each month. It's a pretty good price. Or you can subscribe to each individual exchange, not the bundle. CME is $17 for the first month, $34 for every month after. Same for CBOT, NYMEX, and COMEX. Now, if you just trade the stock indexes, go with just CME. you won't need to subscribe to all the rest and save yourself a few bucks. If you trade the YM or interest rate products or the AGs, you're going to want to go with the CBOT. And if you're trading crude oil, energy, RBOB, whatever it might be, for natural gas, etc., then you're going to go with NYMEX only. Or gold or the metals, you go with COMEX. All right, now if you subscribe to, you can subscribe to all of these individually if you want, but get the deal here with the bundle. All right, so now once you go through that, you can go scroll down the page a little bit more. There's Bookmap for equities here. We're actually a data provider now for equities in Bookmap with NASDAQ total view and last sale. It is $29 for the first month and $59 every month after. Okay, you can subscribe to this as well as your futures data here. We offer multiple connections, and I'll show you that in just a minute. There's another option here for stocks, is DXFeed. You can get the bundle here. They offer NASDAQ depth as well as EDGX depth. It's $59 for the first month, $119 every month after. Or you can get them individually, NASDAQ depth and for $69 or EDGX for $59. Okay, it's up to you. Now these data subscription prices here are on top or addition to the subscription to Bookmap. Okay, so they're two different products here. One's data, one's Bookmap. All right, let's continue on here. Let's install and run Bookmap. And from the desktop, you'll see the, or I'm sorry, from your downloads folder, here's my Bookmap installation icon. Let's double click on it. We'll start to start the wizard here, go through the process to get up and running with Bookmap. And then it'll install the Bookmap right here, the icon on the desktop, and click on that. Once you click on that, this is what you're going to see. It's going to be the run options window here. Okay, so actually at this point, I'm going to show you the process. Okay, here is the Bookmap icon here. Let's double click on it and let's open up Bookmap. It's actually opening up on another screen here, but I'll drag it over just a second. Okay, it's just loading. Have any of you take advantage of the Black Friday offer over here in Zoom? No. Okay, just activating here. It's taking a while. Okay, there we go. All right, finally. Okay, so here's our run options window here. Now this is important. We need to go through this and choose the right mode for the run options. Simulation here. This will connect to live data. However, you will not be able to route trades outside of Bookmap. So you can trade within Bookmap in simulation mode, but any of that trading activity will only be within Bookmap itself. Nothing is routed outside of Bookmap. So you can trade 1,000 lots in the S&P if you want. Now, if you have the Global Plus version, you'll have the option here for trading mode. This will allow you to connect to your broker, so you could route your trades directly from Bookmap, trade off of the Bookmap chart and route them to your broker, or to your prop trading service. Either one of these here, simulation or trading mode, I highly recommend that you record your live data here, because you'll be able to use it later in replay mode here. Now, we just had a webinar with Carmine Rosado about an hour and a half ago or so, and he uses replay mode heavily. We also use it in that pilot program I was just mentioning earlier, and we use it heavily. It's an integral part of the process. This is a really great feature, and I highly recommend that you record your data so you can take advantage of it. All right, so now let's click OK, and we're going to start Bookmap. And it's just getting ready here. Boy, I don't know why is this. I mean, this is a pretty fast computer, yet it's taking its sweet time today. Okay, here it comes. All right. Okay, here we go. Okay, just a second here. All right. Okay, great. Now, this is the first screen you're going to see when you first come to Bookmap, and this process in here, 1, 2, 3, we're going to go through it right now for you so you don't have to read this. Go up to Connections and click on Configure. And then in the Connectivity Configurations window, we're going to first add or remove a platform here. We're going to add a platform, which means we're going to add the adapter so that we can make the connection. Okay, we didn't download all of the adapters here to connect that we connect to here. So you can see that these are the ones I have installed here, and these are ones available for installation here. Okay, so in fact, let's just remove the Bookmap data there for a second. If we scroll down here, available for install, look at all these in here that you can connect to. Okay, a lot of them are cryptocurrency exchanges, but also you'll see CQG, you'll see Coinbase Pro or Gain Futures, you'll see TradeStation, you'll see NinjaTrader in here. Well, there's a different way to connect to NinjaTrader that I can cover if you like. Trade-of-8 as well, another very popular one. All right, so anyway, we have added now, or we want to install Bookmap data adapter here, so we'll click install. Okay, and it says we are ready to go. So let's click that. Okay, we'll click OK again. Now we can add the connection though. Okay, we installed the adapter. Click on Add Connection. And then from the drop down here, we should see it available. These are all the ones that I've installed in here, the adapters. There it is. And then auto location here. If you're wherever you are, the US, Europe, or Japan, you can select it here, or just click on auto, and it will find it for you. Okay, let's click OK. Now let's go back up to connections here. Okay, here's our newly created connection. Now we just need to check the box here and select it. Okay, and you can see now it's connecting. All right, now it's going to be interesting here since it's holiday or Thanksgiving on Friday. The markets are closed at this time, so I don't think we're going to be able to connect here, to be honest. We need a live market in order to connect Bookmap. Okay, yeah, looks like actually it did. All right, so let's click on the plus tab here, and let's see if we can. All right, Bookmap data. The type here is going to be, we're going to go with futures, and then for the exchange we'll go with click on the drop down. We can go with CME here, and then for the symbol, you can type in the ES. If you don't see it here, or the NQ, let's go with the ES, and you can see from the drop down the continuous symbol populates here. I can just select that, and it's going to give me the Z contract for 2025. You'll see in just a minute. We can add more historical data here. I'm just going to add 1 hour of cloud data, okay, for download data, and click subscribe. Okay, we don't want to sit here and wait for a lot of data to download. All right, and it is waiting for that data to arrive. Okay, this is probably where we're going to run into issues. No, let's see here. No data received. Okay. All right. Loading historical data. Huh. Okay. Okay. Well, anyway, you guys get the idea. This is how we can connect, and we will need to have live market data though in order for that to populate. Okay. And I don't think we do yet. Yeah, markets are closed. Okay, well, anyway, this is the same process you use nonetheless. Let's go back to connections, and we're going to configure another connection, and we're going to connect to DXFeed. In this case, we've already downloaded DXFeed, so you just add the connection here in the drop-down. Here's DXFeed, select it, and click OK. We'll know what kind of subscription you have here. And then let's go to up here to connections again and select it. Okay, great. And then now we can click on the plus tab here. Okay, and then from the drop down, we're going to click on this and we're going to go with DXFeed. And then here, input your symbol. Okay, if you don't see it listed here, just start typing it in. Let's go with NVIDIA, for example. And it will find it. There it is. And then again, 1 hour cloud data is fine. And let's click subscribe. And there's NVIDIA. And there it goes. Okay. And it's downloading some data here. All right. So we can connect to cryptocurrency markets as well. So let's go back to connections. It's going to be through Bookmap data, that adapter that we installed. Let me show you, okay? Because we don't need to install a new one here. We'll just click on the plus tab, and then we're going to select Bookmap data from the drop down. Okay, instead of futures here, you can go with if we scroll down, will you see the spot forex? I'm sorry, the spot cryptocurrency market, or the futures cryptocurrencies, which is the perpetual contract. Let's go with perpetual because I want to show you this multi-book product here, which is great, meaning that we're going to connect here with Binance Futures, Bybit, OKEx, and BitGet, all within one symbol. Click on the drop down for a symbol. You can connect to Bitcoin, Doge, ETH, Solana, whatever. We'll go with Bitcoin and then add historical data in here. Let's click on this, 1 hour of cloud data. You can actually change the tick size here. Okay, so I'm going to turn it to, or change it to $20 per tick, and granularity is fine. Please do not change this to like a dollar tick size, because it's just I don't know what Bitcoin is trading at right now, but it's below 100 grand, I believe. So we'll be fine with $20 per tick, and click subscribe. Okay, I'm kind of curious to see what it is here. And downloading data right now. If we click on the symbol here, you can see the blue line underneath it means that I've selected it, and we're looking at it now, and we're at 90,700 for Bitcoin at the moment. Okay. All right, great. So we've connected to all three types of data within Bookmap. We're good to go. And this is the process you use in order to connect Bookmap to the live markets. Let me see if there are any questions here. Connect to crypto, Darshan, I just answered that one. Do you have anything more do you need to get answered? Just let me know. Let's go over to YouTube and hold on just a minute. Okay. And let me see if I have any questions over here. Hold on just a minute, I'm having an issue. There we go. And it's just loading here, guys. Sorry about this. A lot of connection issues. Okay. Boy, this is really slow here. I don't know if it's loading. It's getting there. So I'll see the questions in just a second here, if there are any. And it doesn't look like we have any. So, okay, good. Anyway, let's check over here in our Discord channel if there's any questions there. Just a second. Okay, not sure I understand. Is there any difference between global plus and data or global plus and the data package? No. Let me show you what you get with global plus. Okay, or what's the difference between global plus and global? So just go over to bookmap.com. Okay, and yeah, you guys will see all the deals up here. So you know, check that out. But let's go to pricing here. And that'll take us to the drop down here where you see the 4 different versions we have of Bookmap: the digital free version, digital plus, which connects to digital currencies, you know, Bitcoin and everything else, and then we have global and global plus. These will connect to both stocks and futures. That doesn't matter, but if we here, let's go full screen. If we scroll down a little bit, you'll see what they line up with. Okay, and here's the big distinction. You'll see trading actually is one of them here. Stocks and futures and cross trading is available only in global plus. Okay, now the add-ons is another one. Scroll down and you can see all of the add-ons you get in here in global plus you will not get in any of the other offers here or versions of Bookmap, packages of Bookmap. So there's a lot of things in here. The sweeps, the absorptions, this footprint chart, the dome, execution pro, there's a lot, right? So it's up to you what you want to do. If you want to trade from Bookmap as well, that's a huge advantage. Then go with the global plus, and you might as well, if that's the case, you might as well go with the version that is global plus for the Black Friday deal. Okay, because you get 3 months of it and also 3 months of data here. So go for it and try it out and see if you like it. Basically, it's going to cost you the same as it would if it were global. So get the deal and get global plus. Try it out. If you don't like it, then after 3 months, try global. Okay. All right. Yeah, we do connect to CQG data. How do you find it? Well, here, let's go back to Bookmap, and I do not have a CQG connection, but we can certainly configure one. Just go back up to here. Oh, I'm sorry, that's add-ons. Go back up to connections, go to configure, and then add or remove the platform here. Click on that. Okay, and then we're going to scroll down and find CQG here, install it here. Okay, and then it'll install it, and then you'll just get your credentials for connecting to the CQG platform. Okay, once it's installed here, I can show you that just a second. And let me see if there's any other questions in here. No, doesn't look like it. Okay, so that's ready to go. Let's click OK. And okay, so now we'll add the connection here, and then from the drop down here, we just